Just got some more beard mail from Chin Monsters, which is a UK company. They sent me some of their Christmas oils. It's been a long time coming because we talked about these like a while ago. What do you got today? Chin Monsters. I believe 2 oils from them. Yeah, it feels like 2 oils. Yeah, they're a small batch handmade company out in the UK. Really cool products. And they're also on sale. I think for like £5.50 sterling, something like that. So I think like $10 Canadian, or like $8 US, which is a really good deal. And that's wrapping. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. The red envelope. So again, Chin Monsters. Check us out. Shout out to them for sending this over. All right. This looks like Nez, welcome. Oh, crap. The lid broke when it was being shipped over. Bugger. That's annoying. Oh, that's not Chin Monster's fault. There we go. Ooh. More gear. Weird beard. Ultimus, welcome. Yeah, West Texas, I know. It's pretty cracked. So I might switch the lid out with another one. So this is Hedone. It's cinnamon and spiced apple. Yeah, this is the first time that I've had this happen. So yeah, really cool bottle for sure. Excited to get some product photos of this. Sucks that the lid broke, but post office kind of sucks. Nice looking bottle, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm excited to get this. J Cruz in the building. Let's go. Welcome, welcome. Just doing some doing a little beard mail unboxing. Oh, tell me this one didn't break too. Sad about that. Oh, there's a sticker. Canada Post kind of screwed up on this one. Thank you for your order. Merry Christmas. Little Christmas label, but it's covered in oil. Man, come on, post office. Oh well, it happens. And then this one is Dionysus, so it's spiced blood orange and chocolate. Also in the silver bottle. Really cool bottles. I really like the look of these for sure. Weatherbeard, welcome. I was just talking to Corey from Weatherbeard yesterday for a while. Oh, it sounds like some. So, yeah, I know it's annoying that you can pick that up, but there's a bunch of pipes. Let me connect earphones so that. Yeah, no, this video just has all the pipes in it, basically. There we go. That should be better. Let me know in the chat how that sounds. Sorry about the stupid pipes. Yeah, it's a little annoying for sure. Which is why I usually put music in the background when I do these live unboxings for YouTube. Yeah. See, nice sound now. There we go. Cool. Perfect. So I'll just have to get in the habit of using earphones every time. Whoa. That's a funky scent. Yeah, I definitely get the orange and the chocolate mixed together pretty well. Nice headphones. No, they're Sennheiser. Got them off Amazon for like 140, 150 bucks. Talagana Beard Club, welcome. Yeah, they're I like these, and they're wireless, and thought that fixed the sound. Yeah, so Dionysus, spice, blood, orange, and chocolate. It was a really funky combination. Ingredients: grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, castor seed oil, something kernel oil, mix of fragrance oils. Yeah. So yeah, shout out to them for sending these out. I'll be testing these out and reviewing them in the next little while. Add that to the list of voice is clear and nice headphones. Sweet. Yeah, so this might be the way that I go from now on. Yeah, I like these headphones. They're really solid. They're only like 130 bucks, which is not bad at all. Yeah. So sucks that the lid cracked on this one, but I've got lots of other beard oils, so I'll just switch it out now because I don't want it to screw up the oil or cause any more to spill. Oh yeah, and also I'll show you guys. That's what the oil looks like. Nice and clear. Medium viscosity. Sucks that broke. It is what it is. Cool. There you go. Feel it. Boom. So yeah, shout out to Chin Monster for sending these over. For everybody watching this on YouTube, I'll have them linked down below. All my other links. Shout out to everybody for tuning in live. Yeah, so I'll stay tuned for some product photos and review coming soon. Thanks everybody for watching. If you're on YouTube, subscribe and like and comment and do all that stuff. And thanks for tuning in live, if you're tuning in live. Yeah. Peace out, y'all.